to, I grew up on a farm in Kentucky. Michael grew up in North Carolina, and where we have property up there now is in a little town up in northern Georgia called Blairsville, and it's right up against the Cherokee National Forest. And there's a mountain there called Bald Mountain. What is it called, Michael? Bald Mountain? Yeah. And one day on our way back from there, I wrote this song. It's an interesting place if you ever get a chance to go there. Apparently there was a lot of fighting there because there was a sign at the local hiking stop about all the Indian massacres and so this one's called Blue Ridge Mountain Rain. Sound of my wet tires on a blacktop country road. That's Jasper down through LJ, Atlanta bound, I know. Well, it's a long way back from where I came. Driving through this Blue Ridge mountain rain. These mountains catch my mind, hold my restless soul. Ghosts that walk these well-worn paths, still dressed in gray and gold. Oh, it's a long, long way back from where I came. Driving through this Blue Ridge mountain rain. Way up on Blood Mountain, you can still hear wildcats cry. Hear the ghosts of Creek and Cherokee up in Slaughter Gap as they die. It's all civilized now, it's on modern day. No more blood spilled on that ground, no more hillbilly